Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to log in into the Nationwide application on your mobile device. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is download your Nationwide application from your App Store or Play Store if you haven't already. I've already made a video on that, so you can go ahead and check that if you want to, and simply go ahead and open your Nationwide application. Once you've done that, let it load up for a bit. Then this is going to be your welcome screen. All you need to do is click on I have an account on the top, and all you need to do is simply go ahead and click on enroll this device. Now you want to simply go ahead and choose either you want to go ahead and look your account with account details or customer number, whatever you want. You can simply go ahead and enter your first name, your last name right over here, or you can enter your customer number, click on continue, enter your password, and you'll be logged in. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.